Hello, my name is Haj Bakari Sila. Quickly, let's talk about seven keys. The seven keys to AI power business. This is a real talk, and this is actually based on a framework of a book that I wrote. It's called Seven Keys to AI Power Business. So I came here because intentionally I want to just have some real conversations with some business owners, people who want to grow their business, or people who are curious about business, people who seen the AI revolution, people who seen AI all around them, but they want to figure exactly what's happening. And one of the things I hear very often is AI is here to take my job. So I'm here to say that AI is not here to replace you. AI is here to reward your hustle. Let's say, for example, if you work 12 hours a day, spending time doing mundane stuff, repetitive stuff, and you want to use your brain power for critical application, is something that you can, make more money doing. What if AI has the ability to cut that 12 hours to 6 hours? Would that be fair? Absolutely, you bet. That's one of the use cases of AI that you really want to take advantage of. Now, let's talk about a little backstory. Before AI, or before all the AI talk, I was running Bakari's, pizza here in the West End, Southwest Atlanta. But before that, I was a computer network engineer in the Bay Area, California. But then when I moved to Atlanta, the vibe was good. Like I said before, everything was great. Opened a pizza shop in the West End. The community was great energy, great vibes. But when COVID hit, everything changed. The dining room went quiet. I mean, if you were around COVID once, it's kind of like one of those situations with just a black swan, once in multiple generations occurrence. All right. And so for us, business dropped 40%, just like that. People were getting stimulus packages, so nobody wanted to work. So we did something very innovative. Number one, we checked Google Trend to see what was trending. That's using AI. We also created an ability to follow up with our customers, to get more reviews, to text them back. And we installed something on the phone because 40% of inbound calls to businesses go unanswered. So we installed something on the phone where when customers calls and no one picked up, it texts them back. All of these were ways to leverage AI, to use AI to grow. And we adapted and we used that right away, and now help us to not only stay in business during COVID, we actually thrive. Now, let's just talk about the real opportunities in automation. 88% of businesses are missing out. That leaves only 12% of businesses that are actually doing what needs to be done with automation. And the reason why automation is really important is because automation is really helping you to leverage AI to do the repetitive stuff. So you can focus on the stuff that you like to do. Human beings are not wires to do repetitive stuff over and over again. And that's the reason why 80% of the US workflow falls go to a job that they dislike. People hate their jobs because they go to work and do the same thing over again. So AI now gives them the ability to use automation